Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So let's continue with this surface options. So in before tutorial we have seen up to here free form. So let's continue with this next options. We are having here planar surface. So what is meant by this planar surface mean? See here, this planar surface will be similar to filled surface. So use of filled surface means if we are having a closed boundary, so we are able to fill surface material by using that closed profile, right? Same like that only. Here planar surface means, for example, whenever we are having like no curvatures, only planar faces we are having. So if you want to close that planar faces, so there we can use here planar surface. If I use filled surface, I need to select here all these four edges. Then it will get closed. So instead of that, this is a planar surface, right? So like no curvature available. So directly we can go for planar surface. I'll select only this opposite two sides. Automatically it will get closed. So a very simple option to make fill of surface material when we are having planar surfaces. Then next we are having here offset surface. For example, same the surface, I want extra whether outside or inside with some distance. So directly I can use this offset distance. For example, all four means all four we can select. How much offset we want, whether if we want inside or outside. Okay, like this. We are able to get this offset surface. Same like offset sketch, here we are dealing with surface. Then next we are having here ruled surface. I'll click on ruled surface. Under this ruled surface, we are having multiple options. Let's see one by one. So first we are having tangent to surface. So for example, if we are having any curvature here, so let me apply some fillet here for making curvature. Okay. So ruled surface. Tangent to surface. So tangent to this surface, if you want any material, so you can see, I'll make it here, alternate face. How much distance we want, that much tangent to the surface, we are able to get that extra surface. It means instead of drawing one more sketch and instead of adding material, so directly by using ruled surface, we are able to add or we are able to extend material however we want. So that is about tangent to surface. Tangent to surface, we are able to get that extra material. Next we are having normal to surface, means perpendicular. So perpendicular to that, how much height we want, that much we are able to get here extra material. So I am selecting this edge, right? From there only normal to that we are able to get. Then tapered to vector. So with inclination we are able to get. So from this line we need inclination. For example, with reference to which face? For example, I'll select with reference to this face. I want some angle. See how much we want, we are able to get. This side or this side, how much angle we want. Like this. If I say OK, the tapered surface only we are able to get like this. Means instead of drawing that how much angle or how much whichever the shape we want manually by drawing sketch, and if you go for extrude surface, it will take more time. So direct option we can use here. That is tapered to vector, with inclination we will get. Then perpendicular to vector. With reference to this, exactly perpendicular to this we are able to get. Like this, same like perpendicular option. So same, this one normal to surface and perpendicular to vector. Then next we are having sweep. So sweep means with reference to this only, this extra material will be added. So for example, this face I will select as this. With reference to that, we will get. Okay, usually we won't use this all these things. So according to our requirement, if needed only we need to use. Otherwise, normal surface design only will create. Why? Because so here in surface design we are not having more options compared to CATIA. So So only like for surface design, we will prefer more CATIA only. So in CATIA only different shape designs we will do. So here very basic surface design we can do in SolidWorks. So that is rolled surface. Then surface flatten is there. So we can make flatten the surface. For example, I need to flatten this face and this face with reference to this edge. It means now this is already everything folded, right? With reference to that edge, if it get opened, what is the shape we will get and what is the dimension we will get? So that we can get by using this surface flatten option. So in sheet metal we have seen, here in sheet metal we have seen flatten option, right? Similar to that, here we are dealing with surface flatten. Okay, that is about this. Then next we are having delete face. So just we can delete face. For example, I don't want this face. So if you want to only delete or delete and patch or delete and fill, I need only delete, only that face will be deleted. Let me go back by using Ctrl Z. Then replace face will be there. So we can replace one face with another face. Let me show you how to use that. So just I will delete this. For example, I'll create one rectangle. I will use here revolve boss. Then on the front plane, for example, I'll create one profile like this. I'll make this one surface, extrude surface by using mid plane like this. Okay, now for this cylinder we are having flat face. So here we are having curvature face. So I want to replace this flat face with this curvature. So we can replace the face. So which face we need to replace? This face I need to replace. It means flat face I need to replace with this curved face. Now just if I hide this, you can see that flat face is converted to this curvature face. So like that we can replace one face with another surface by using this replace face option. Hope it is clear. Let me go back. Then next we are having here fillets and chamfers. So fillet means by using fillet we can convert sharp edge into curved edge. Same here, different types will be there as we have seen in part design like this. So hope you like the video. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends too. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.